Hello all, this is Miss S with project number 20. Believe it or not, 20 projects since October. Pretty amazing. Okay, project number 20. I'm going to introduce some new principles of design or principles of art and review some of the ones we've already learned about. Okay, this is the project. As you can see, it's a two-part project. It's a butterfly apparently flying over a meadow of flowers. Okay? Now, what do you notice about this? What do you notice about the colors? I used yellow, orange, and red. And are they warm or cool colors? What do you think? Well, they're warm colors. They make you feel all toasty inside. Okay? Warm colors. Red, orange, yellow. All right? And look at the composition or the design of the artwork. If you notice, the butterfly is not in the middle of the picture. It's off a little bit to the right. And this composition is what I thought of to make this art look interesting. Remember, we've talked about composition. I decided to let part of the butterfly off the edge so your eye would focus more on the whole butterfly. And I decided to keep the background kind of light so your eye would focus on the main thing in the artwork, which is the butterfly. So that's all about composition. And remember the word emphasis? We talked about that last project. I kept the background light. So the emphasis or the focal point of the art is going to be the butterfly. So that's emphasis. It's on the butterfly because the background is very light. Okay? Also, the way that I placed the butterfly, the space that I chose, okay, I decided to leave a portion of the butterfly off, makes this picture interesting. The space that I chose. All these things I planned ahead of time. And you can do that too, boys and girls, because at the end of the school year, I'm going to have you design your own project. That's why I'm going through all of these vocabulary words with you so that you learn how to do your own. All right? And we talked about warm colors, the composition, an emphasis on the butterfly, and the space that I created. Okay, those four things. And now I'm going to introduce another principle of design, which is harmony. Now, since I chose to use warm colors on the butterfly, I chose the so-called meadow of flowers in the background to be warm colors also, so that they would be in harmony with the main focal point, which is the butterfly. So this picture flows very well because of the colors that I chose. Harmony, okay? The background works with the major focal point of the artwork. That's what harmony is. Okay, new vocabulary word for you today, harmony. All right? Now, as I said, this is a two-part project. The background is done with watercolors, so we're going to concentrate on that first. And then the butterfly, I use tempera paints and magic marker for the black. And I'm going to teach you how to do this in the demonstration, which is part 2 of this video. Okay, let's review once again. Composition, what I thought about in my brain that I wanted to present in my artwork. Composition. Emphasis. I wanted to put an emphasis on the butterfly, so I made it very bright and very big, actually, in proportion to the background, so it would emphasize in the artwork. Emphasis. Space. I decided to leave part of the butterfly off of the artwork to make it more interesting. Space. And warm colors. Okay, we used, what are the warm colors again, boys and girls? Red, orange, yellow. Okay. And then I introduced a new word, harmony, to create a background and a focal point that work together well. Harmony. Okay, boys and girls, I'll be back with the demonstration. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this project. Bye.